Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial, I will discuss and teach you guys on how to display two decimal places using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. So we have here sharp includes tday.h. It is a standard input-output header file or a library file in C language. Int main, it is the starting point and ending point of every C program. So when we compile and run and terminate our program, this is the function that is being executed and terminated by our C compiler. So we have here left curly bracket double given underscore value. We have here an example 451.67892. So we want to display this only value. It will run off na 451.68 because we have here 8 the nearest tens. So we have here printf excuse me, a new line here, print formatting, and then print given value colon. To display two decimal places in C, we have here %5, 5 decimal places to the left, and that two decimal places, comma, given underscore value, new line, system pause, and then right curly bracket to close the body of our program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go with our dev C++ environment. Compile and run. So we have here the result as we expected, 451.68. okay, correct. So if we want to change here, if we want to change now 67.1, let's say this one 67.61667. so we have here, we want to have 67.62. so let us save and then compile and run. So we have here the output, given value 67.62, run off 61, it will become 62. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on two decimal places in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Advance Happy New Year to everyone, this 2022. Today is December 31, 2022. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.